Hey guys, so it's me again, Maria. First of all, I want to thank you guys for liking, sharing, giving me that support. Make sure after this show, you go ahead and click that button and subscribe. Okay, so today we're gonna go ahead and, well, I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to make your lips bigger. So as you can see, I don't have that lips. My lips really thin, but we're gonna go ahead and start. So for me, I'm going to use my mirror right here so I can see. So I actually applied a little bit of a lip balm on my lips. So if you guys want to do a balm or a primer, you can go ahead and do so. I've done that myself, but I'm going to go and actually give this a little kick by using my Dose of Colors. So this is like a nude lips, as you can see, nude ones. So I'm going to apply this all over my lips right now. We're just going to layer them. There you go. No colors, the same color as my skin. So we're going for nude. And if you guys want to go ahead and apply that red lips or purple or super hot pink, you may do so. So this is just a normal nude lipstick. All right. So when we're done with that, I think I'll put a little bit too much. So I'm going to go ahead and just dab it. I'm going to go ahead and use my lip liner right here. So this one is from NYX, and it's the nude color from NYX. I think it's called something brown. I forgot. But it's NYX. You can go to any drugstore. You can pick whatever it is, Bobbi Brown, YSL, whatever nude you guys have, go for it. So I'm going to line my lips. And I go a little bit higher. Line them up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them in, okay? So now we're layering. Do that. Again, you guys can use your pink, purple, red, whatever you guys want to do. All right, as you can see, a little bit bigger. And so when I'm done, I'm gonna pick my lipstick right here. So again, this is from Dose Colors. It's gonna be a regular lipstick, and I chose it's more like a nude kind of mauvey. So I'm going to apply this. And just so you guys know, that's how it's gonna get a little bit thicker and more plumpy when you actually layer them. All right. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish it up with the Buxom one. So the Buxom, this is a plumping gloss that it's gonna give you a little bit of an extra kick there. If you guys want to just use your lipstick or the stain or whatever, you can go ahead and just leave it as is. For me, I'm going to use this so I have that little shine. And there you go. All right. So this is the look on how to have that plumpy lips without injecting them. Alright? Thank you so much, you guys. And again, thank you for liking, sharing, and giving me that support. So make sure at the end of the show, you click that button and subscribe. Thank you.